Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the dollar yen. Now dollar yen is quite an interesting pair to watch because we have a lot of what you call dollar moving news that will be released this week, and at the same time we have the yen, which is a traditional safe haven. So we like to see how the dollar actually moves against safe haven amidst a heavy economic week ahead for the dollar. Now, also another reason why I chose this pair is because there is a very interesting opportunity which I think can play out quite nicely on the intraday, right? But what I have here, first and foremost, is the weekly chart. Now, I just want to focus on this recent area here. Now, it doesn't seem like much, but if you change to line chart, what you see is something that I would call an impending double bottom, right? Price made one bottom here and made the same bottom at the same level. Okay, so I can put the support line in, and we can see that price tested this level at 105.86.8 twice, okay, with the neckline of the double bottom over here. Okay, so I can put this as the resistance. Alright, so we know that at the end of a strong preceding downtrend, alright, that is where a double bottom usually happens. Likewise, a double top usually happens at the end of a strong preceding uptrend. So we have a strong downtrend over here, and I think intraday we can actually play to the neckline of the double bottom. So now that we have identified these levels on the weekly, alright, let's very quickly go down to the 4 hours. Okay, so the 4 hours is something like this. Alright, I just want to bring your attention. Okay, I can move the line to here. Why price is chopping around is really because all these are the spikes on the weekly. So if I go to weekly, you can see that price spiked above and price went above, opened above here before coming back down. So on the shorter term time frame, that is how we fine tune the charts. Okay, so I'm just going to move this up here. Alright, now first and foremost, we don't want to just look at the level blindly, even though this is a long-term level. Okay, price actually made a high here, and there was a very strong push down to this level. So we want to see how far price can actually retrace. Next, price made sort of a zigzag motion, so we can also use Fibonacci extension to see how far up price will extend. So let's start off with the retracement first, from the high to the low, and let's open all Fibonacci ratios. And we see the price is really right at the 78.60 level. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight the 78.60. Okay, and let's use the extension 0.1 to 0.2 to 0.3. Open all Fibonacci ratios, and again we see that price is really close to the 100%. So we have a Fibonacci confluence level over here. Okay, and I'm just going to draw a box around this level. Alright, so if anything, we're definitely playing the bullish push upwards. Okay, the bullish push upwards. Now, also, on the 4 hours, we do have a slight resistance that has yet to be broken, which will be this level, and price is currently holding right below it, 106.150. How do I know price is on an uptrend? It's because price has also successfully made higher lows as well. So combining all these higher lows together with a trend line, okay, it's okay to cut the wicks but not the candle body. Alright, we see that price is actually holding very strongly above this ascending trend line support. Right, so let's quickly dive down to the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour, I just need to tidy this up a bit more. Okay, something like that. Okay. Now, we see that price is really holding above this level. Right, holding below. So I would actually use this as my buy entry. Okay, I'll use this as my buy entry. The moment price is above, alright, I will go long. Alright, and where would my stop loss be? Okay, this is not the best risk reward for intraday trade. However, my stop loss will be the level that I identified on the 4 hours. Now, why did I choose this level for the stop loss? Remember, the stop loss is the level which your trade bias is proven wrong. So should price come back down and break below the stop loss, firstly, price will have broken below this recent low. That's one. Secondly, price would have broken below this ascending trend line support. So for these two reasons, if price is below the stop loss, I would know for sure that my trade is invalidated. My bullish idea is invalidated. Alright, so this is a very short and simple intraday trade. Okay, and I hope that you guys managed to learn something from this. Alright, this is the take profit that I have identified. Last but not least, we can actually check using the momentum indicator, things like MACD or even moving averages. So we can give a bit of space, not so sensitive for the moving average, something like 21. And we see that price is actually holding very nicely when the markets are trending. Right now, price is above moving average and MACD is above zero, showing that there's room for further bullish momentum as well. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's analysis of dollar yen. I hope this has been a very informative session. And until the next time that I catch you guys, take care and stay safe. Thank you.